Today we are going to perform the experiment spring mass oscillator. Here in this we are going to perform the second aim, that is to determine the mass of the spring. For this we are going to take, this is a spring mass oscillator and the stopwatch. We are going to use the hanger which is going to attach to the spring. The weight of the hanger is 50 gram. So write down, the weight of the hanger is 50 gram, and whatever the stopwatch we are going to use here, the least count of the stopwatch is 1 second. Attach the hanger to this spring. So total weight attached to the spring is 50 gram now. But we are going to add the 100 grams in this hanger so that the total weight will be 150 grams. Once you attach the 150 gram weight in the hanger, look at the position of this pointer on a scale. So that will show you the mean position of the oscillation. We are going to find out the time for 20 oscillations for the 150 total mass. We are going to give the oscillations to the spring. So hold it just little upward. As soon as you will leave the hand, the oscillation will start, and at the same time you have to start the stopwatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Note down the oscillations time, that comes to be 60. We have repeated the oscillations time for the 20 oscillations for 150 grams, and it comes to be 16, 17 seconds. Now your oscillations should be in a one plane, and we are going to measure the time for 20 oscillations for 200 grams. Comes to be 20 seconds. Repeat the same for 2 more times for 200 grams. Thus we have calculated the time for 20 oscillations for 150 grams, 200 grams, 250 grams, 300 and 350 grams. Then we have calculated the mean T, and then we have calculated the periodic time by dividing the 20 to this mean T. Then we have calculated the T squares. Now we will plot a graph of T square versus M, and we'll find out the negative x-intercept, and we'll calculate the mass of the spring. To plot the graph of T square versus M, we have choose a scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 20 gram, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1. We have just drawn a straight line by intersecting the negative x-axis, and that is called as a M0. If you find here, the negative intercept is 8 mm, so multiply with the 2, so we got it as M0 as 2 into 8, that is 16 gram. So the mass of the pan is 3 into M0, that comes to be 48 grams. So result is mass of a given spring from a graph of T square versus M is 48 grams, that is approximately equal to the mass of that spring. Thank you.